Welcome to our exploration of the water cycle. Today, we focus on the first crucial stage, evaporation. Evaporation is the process where water turns into vapor. This transformation begins with the sun, which provides the energy needed for evaporation. The sun's heat warms the water, increasing the energy of water molecules. As water molecules absorb energy, they move faster and eventually escape into the air as vapor. Let's test your understanding. Which of the following is not an example of evaporation? Options: A. Water turning into steam from a pond. B. Ice melting into liquid. C. Sweat drying from your skin. Correct. B is not an example of evaporation. Ice melting is actually called melting, which is a different process. Several factors affect how fast evaporation happens. These include temperature, surface area, air movement, and humidity. Evaporation plays a key role in the water cycle, helping to form clouds and eventually leading to precipitation. This cycle is essential for life on Earth. Thank you for learning about evaporation with us. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.